Alright guys, so I'm gonna test that GPS return to home today. I have the quad here, it's gathering some satellites. Alright guys, so this is the long range quad. I'm gonna take it up now. I'm gonna see if the GPS return to home works. I'm gonna go out to the middle of the field and see if it could come back and land at the exact same spot that I took off from now.
Okay, cool.
So I'm gonna take off first, and then when I flick the return to home, I'm gonna take off the goggles and we go walk out towards where the drone had take off from.
Okay.
So let me see, I have 18 satellites so far. Alright, let's see, take off now. Too much, at least they have a road in the back way. Alright, I know the road. So in case I go down over there, it have a big pond there?
Yeah.
There's a man-made pond or?
Yeah.
I now noticed that pond.
Yeah, I came on inside them.
You serious?
Yeah.
Alright, so then I'll flick the return to home now.
Unlock mode. Whatever.
Alright, the drone's supposed to start to come back. Let me walk out towards where I take off from. So I return to home, right? Drone coming back. I can't hear it yet, but I'm gonna see where it is. Still coming back, still coming back. So it's supposed to land right there somewhere by this quad. Alright. Right, I see it. You seeing it? You can start to focus on it now. Look up with the phone. See if we can focus on it. It's supposed to come back and land right here. I don't know where it's going. Right, still no control, right? Supposed to come in and land. Wow, if that land actually right where it's supposed to, that'll be real sick, bro. Wee! Wee! Coming back right where it came from, Wee! Yeah, fellas, that was badass. Check that. That quad landed 2 feet away from where it took off from. 2 feet away. Nice, I like that.